Hello friends, this is Zack's pronunciation. I am pronouncing names of the football players. The name of this Spanish footballer is pronounced in his native Castilian Spanish. It's pronounced Mikel Oyarzabal. Mikel Oyarzabal. Mikel Oyarzabal. Mikel Oyarzabal. Mikel Oyarzabal is a Spanish forward who plays for the Spain national football team. He is one of Spain's most intelligent attackers and is known for his leadership, finishing, and versatility. His playing style is that he is left-footed attacker, excellent movement in the penalty area, strong finisher with good link-up play, can play as a center forward, left winger, or attacking midfielder. Mikel Oyarzabal. Mikel Oyarzabal. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos of the names of football players. See you soon.